know sometimes they have the little
I gotta
partners
see this.
together? Do we know this?
Maybe.
We need to figure.
They could be getting paired up. They've done that before. They play
are
alongside
playing.
music
Okay.
artists. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you,
very
Jacob.
nice. It's all part of the iHeartRadio theme, I guess.
I love this.
That's
I love
very,
this. Yeah, Jay won tickets to the big iHeart Music Fest
That's
next
right.
holiday season. And we're rooting hard tomorrow night.
I'm sure he's going to do very well.
Yeah, no, I know Jay, and I'll tell you, he did radio here for years. He's a great guy. And teachers are doing well on Wheel of Fortune, I think, because they're used to filling in the gaps left by students, right? I mean, they kind of have to figure out, maybe those elementary school students missed a letter here or there, and they've got to figure out what they're saying, so they get good at Wheel of Fortune. Outside tonight, let's do some weather. We've got a breeze coming in from the southeast. That's a western Gulf fetch. Whenever you see those flags left to right, and I tell you, they were just so breezy, and now they're quiet. You get your chance, and then look what happens, right? But I promise you, if we show you these winds, there they are, southeast at 20 at the airport. There goes the Texas state flag. I love it. On Tuesdays with Taylor, they do the Pledge of Allegiance to the United States flag, followed by the pledge to the Texas flag. It's so awesome. All right, so the dew point. This has been affected by that southeast fetch from the Gulf up to the mid-50s, closing in on 60. All right, one thing real quick, the air quality today. We had an ozone action day today, and we stayed moderate on our air quality. These are live air quality monitors right here. But Austin, and farther north on 35, out east on 10 to Houston, and you can see that the air quality is unhealthy for sensitive groups still tonight. Just something to keep in mind. Highs today were warm. We had moderate air quality, but we had hot air for sure. 92 Seguin, 93 at Floresville, Hondo. How about the 99s along the Rio Grande and Carrizo Springs? 93 at Rock Springs, 90 at Kerrville. Our 90 was only 5 away from the record for today, April 10th. In 1963. 56 this morning, about exactly where we should be. All right, so winds fairly light and insignificant tomorrow, except direction will change a bit and we will drop dew points until Saturday. Saturday afternoon, we'll start getting a good southeast wind again, and it will pick up. These are Saturday evening winds that are going to be breezy. So once we get to Saturday afternoon, we're going to stay pretty breezy right on through the rest of the weekend. That will spike the dew points. So look at that fall off for Saturday. In fact, this is an indication right here that Saturday morning will be fabulous. Make some plans outside for Saturday morning. Notice, though, once we get the humidity in place, maybe we can get a chance of rain out of that. Well, we do have high pressure in control, but we're dropping the rain chance for middle part of next week. This is an area of low pressure that is over the Great Lakes, dragging a weak front through. But notice we still have a bit of a ridge of high pressure here, and that's going to really squash rain chances with a weak front especially. So we look ahead to this system that's going to be moving in closer to Easter for the next best chance of rain, and that's still not a very good chance heading into Easter. All right, 14-day forecast. Let's begin with, of course, Friday. We've got 4 down, 1 to go until the weekend. 60 to 86 on a partly cloudy to mostly sunny day tomorrow. Breezy on Saturday, 88. Windy on Sunday, 92. Windy and hot. We stay in the low 90s on Monday. A few more clouds, but no chance of rain until Saturday the 19th. Dropping it for Good Friday. No chance of rain, 90. But a chance isolated for even Easter Sunday.